13, 2025. We're starting with Medfire is about 38, 39. Next is US dollar index future 103. Next is economic calendar already released. Aussie, what is Aussie? 0.7, previous actual 6.3. is good for building approval month to month January. Swiss franc green, what is green? 0.1% to 0.3 PPI. So Swiss franc is good. And the next is USD monthly report, 55 minutes and 10:50. It come euro new, USD new, CAD new 13:30 before market open, New York open, 18 euro. So today US euro, CAD, Japan Swiss franc, no Japanese, only Australia. Australia seem to be good. And look at my pair from yesterday. Oh, I put the wrong button. Okay, this one is monthly. Start from monthly. GBP monthly is sideways. GBP Swiss franc is also sideways, but at the bottom of the first breakout from the range, and then sideways to check who will take the lead to next direction, down or up. Depends on if this GBP is strong, it will go back into touch this VPOC. GBP CAD is GBP monthly is leading. GBP on the top of the range, breaking out and trying to maintain the ground. This monthly candle, do you know monthly candle? This is one candles 1 month. GBP New Zealand is even more breaking out and look like this. The candle is bigger, looks very good, strong correlation with GBP CAD. GBP New Zealand, GBP Australian, they are all correlate this three pairs so far. GBP Aussie break out from the range, stay neck above the range and touch this guy who started from the left side. Is the government red candles, if he gonna be breaking or not. It's all here now. We have to wait for the sideways market in the lower time frame to read monthly JPY. JPY is also, it's like in the long term of monthly, it's just come to start sideways market. So it's hiccup with one pivot point, say it going set the foot here where the range will begin to fight. That's GBP JPY. And Euro GBP, the decision making of all Euro and GBP, who gonna take the lead. This is the monthly. Euro is very top, very bottom of the range, and this is the fight. If GBP poking out, push it down there, scare this buyer who just about to try to push the market back up, they will have to lose the battle because somebody poking out very quick and scare them. Look clearly. So what I mean, this one is the block. So this is the what is this? This not a VPOC. Okay, this is a VPOC. This is the yellow VPOC line that is magnet to this guy to trying to get back in here. Or if the strong euro are weak, it will go down further. Now euro turn to show that he can go back up to this epoch or not. I bet on euro weakness, so it must go down for my GBP is can go up. So let's go look in the big sequence. So that's the chart of GBP weekly. Let's go to the chart of the very low time frame now, and I have no time for going to so higher. Let's do just start with the 15 minutes. If it's going need to detail, we go down to 5 minutes. After then we can figure out. Even we have to go down to 1 minute to precision. So look at this before we go in and make the 15-minute decision. We check here GBP New Zealand on the top of the lead of the heat map. GBP Euro New Zealand, GBP New Zealand, Euro New Zealand is New Zealand, okay? Except GBP come before, Euro come before, and GBP Aussie, my pair is here. It's GBP Aussie, GBP New Zealand. I put my trade yesterday. If you go back to the video clip yesterday, I have a clip I get in here, position 1, 2, 3 position, and 4 and 5 position here with Bitcoin. And take a look at this, my 5 position, my heat map. Here the heat map, come back and look at who is on the top of the lead for 15 minutes. And on the top of the lead for 15 minutes for CSI is USD coming strong, but remember today is USD news. Yesterday bad news for the USD, but this morning is coming back. It's go back up and down here the center line, and what is coming running second is the JPY 79% and USD 87%. I just want to need the next one is GBP. So the top 3 in my favor. So that is the heat map and all the CSI, all the my cockpit to watch the things who is on the lead at the present time. It could be go up and down. And to take a briefly short look at the VPOC. VPOC is the magnet line where the price would like to come back to it. It's like the center line of the Bollinger Band. My 3 pair is 1, 2, 3 GBP New Zealand, and this is the where I get in yesterday was nightmare because it was I get in somewhere around, where is my buy here, I buy here, and the price went down yesterday somewhere. I think I'll get in, and the price went down. It's like it's make me have to add more of funding my margin call. Okay, now it's safe, and that is my GBP New Zealand. Now is back up and wanted to step on this guy head after he bridge over, kill this guy level, arrest this arrow level, and take this level as the step to the heaven. Step on his head or shoulder, whatever is here somewhere around, and then dashing up, or maybe pull back. Depends how much of he break out the yesterday things. No broke anything yesterday. Only the from Asian market that's give me a nightmare heart attack that they come against my direction. But this trade that I put in is here is for the longer holding kind of trade. That's what I wish if I can stand to keep it run float even coming against me. That is the long-term swing trade first position in. We'll check it out. That's New Zealand, one of the yesterday position. They are sister pair to GBP Aussie. Are we okay? GBP Aussie, and yeah, it's loading up now. Here my trade I buy yesterday. Yesterday I bought somewhere around here, and bad buy because I check it with the market. It look like it's going up because GBP take lead, kill the euro, and the euro drop and GBP up, and I want my GBP to be effect with this GBP euro. So but it was not that. GBP was not going up, even it can take euro down, and that's why I get in. I expect some fight and put the GBP up yesterday, but GBP was not until this morning. They're coming up. I'm happy because it's a hope maybe they come back again. This is a long-term swing trade position also. And then the next one, GBP JPY, I put buy here position during this time, and then at night it make me sitting for 2 or 3 o'clock to see if it's okay. Now it's okay, even though it's still being red because the other pair reduce the cost of the minus of the breathing. And this is supposed to be my also long-term pair to be swing if I can hold that long. I don't know. That's GBP JPY, and this is one of the Bitcoin thing that I even went into 2 position. I bet for sell. This is first sell portion fell, and last night before I go to bed I put another position sell because when you look at the higher time frame, this is swing trade that I want to keep and hold for a long time. It was 2 positions. First position is take profit here and take profit here. So my take profit on the weekly, this is the weekly trade, okay? My take position is the VPOC because I believe it's gonna be a magnet to run back to here for the test, more or less. Even not touching my take profit, I'll be able to just close the position accordingly just to get a little bit down here, make some money. But I hope I'm holding for a long time because it is divergent here, dashing up, and it show the direction down, and it's just start the divergent. Maybe it's full leg trade things fighting around here, but the target in the long term I hope it's come here at the VPOC, and I don't know if I can hold that long. That's the whole 3 position, 5 position that I put in yesterday, which is I didn't mean to because my account is so small. I just adding yesterday night because the margin is very low. I've been breathing. Look at this. This is my trade, and this is the red thing. 61 Bitcoin give me minus, but at the same time it plus 12 now, and GBP give me some green, and only JPY minus, and GBP New Zealand and Australian is give me a hope that it will help me not to wipe out, because when you have small account you have to be aware of liquidity and equity that you have to maintain, not to get margin call. And this 100 euro, 200 euro now I put in this time of trading this GBP MT5 platform. I have another platform which is I try to learn. I'm not yet sure about my knowledge and practice. This is my homework, Stay tuned if my 100 would turn to be something more, to add up more, to gain my learning curve with a small amount of bet, 100 euro. If it's margin call, I put more 100 euro until I make more money. And so far, this is my homework. And GBP USD, GBP CAD, these three pair, 1 2 3 4 position, and this is 16 minute prior, before not prior, already open London market. Okay, that's the record before I go away to work. And then I hope I have a time to come back and do the clip. So let's go further down to 3 minutes. What's happening down there? This is the precision making, because when opening market come, you can make a little bit scalp. And I already had 4 positions to run. I'm gonna overpower my capital of starting, which is 200 euro. 1 2 3 4 position set in, and I can not buy more. I have to wait and watch. This is the last clip, not the last clip, the first clip of the day. Today is the Thursday. It's very intense from Monday to Thursday to check on the weekly candle time frame, which is we just been there, and I looking at it now. After 18 minutes start to move, and let's go back. We already look at the news, so it will be something happening with the GBP USD, either USD news coming now or something news coming now. I don't know, we look later, but just now I'm interesting to see how they fight here and how the chart react. If it's bling 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 like a disco light, it means a lot of activity happening on there, and we have to check it out on the both side, either GBP switch fund or GBP and USD. Go back and look for the across the board what happened to this pair. And since the video is not end yet, if I can get to USD pair at least to see what they do in the USD. We are now in 3 minute chart. Now I'm not going to go for 3 minutes. First I like to go on the 1 hour, but I don't know if my 1 hour chart is ready. So I put indicator on, and a still a task that I need to finish to prepare my layout of the chart so I can read. It looks like this is not done yet. It's a lot of mess, and the computer is very slow now. Okay, I did something. I give it some VPOC, and I have give some indicator, but I need to change the tone of this color a bit. It's too strong, but we'll see. I have no time for it now. I have to go make my lunch box to go to bed with. Okay, this is the Bitcoin. If it's coming down to take break even here, I think it will be the best to close this position, because the red is come up very strong. But I still doubt, because in the higher time frame it is correlation not correlation, divergent on the weekly time frame. This is 4 hours. Here we are at 5 minutes time frame for USD across the board. Euro USD, Euro searching up back to the range, and Euro USD, Aussie USD, Australian also fight to gain back the strength. That means Euro, that Australia is stronger than USD. Euro also strong. New Zealand USD also trying to get back up to the north. Well, GBP USD is the running up. It's very big candle compared to other USD pair. And now USD come first. USD is sideways market on the seller market. USD Swiss franc sideways market, no man's land. It need to be clear and solve this problem. USD CAD is the buyer market, but it's pulling back with a very strong candle. So USD look like it's weak. My Bitcoin, my trading time frame is 5 minutes. This is my sell position from last night. It's been fighting a lot since last night. Give me a heart attack. 2 position in with pretty high lot size according to my wallet size. It's halfway down. I want it to come down here, but if it coming down here and I look if it's possible to run further, I will let it run. If it's come struggle and need a test and so like that, boring, I need to close the trade, or it depends. We have this check on the USD 5 minutes now, and I haven't done any indicator in yet, so we know about the USD. So on the higher time frame, what pair, what else? Euro is being in my radar for Euro, and GBP is hot across the board from weekly to 3 minutes. Okay, Euro, let's look at 3 minutes, 15 minutes first, like the other, or at least 5 minutes. Where is my 15 minutes Euro? There's no. Go 3 minutes. There's Euro pair. All Euro are strong. The top on the heat map is Euro New Zealand in 5 minute time frame. Euro New Zealand on the lead. GBP New Zealand running second. Euro Aussie running third. Euro CAD running fourth. Euro CAD also one of my pairs. Right now Euro CAD is so far up in the sky. I need to pull back on the weekly chart. Okay, here the 3 minute chart on the Euro. Euro New Zealand, only this square we can see is uphill. Euro GBP, it was uphill, and then now it changing direction, contra with Euro New Zealand. Euro GBP, that means GBP is strong, and Euro trying to fight back here. GBP, Euro GBP. That's why no, it's not. The top pair is Euro New Zealand. Where is Euro New Zealand on the heat map? Euro New Zealand. Yeah, this pair is the top rank. Follow with Euro Aussie, number 3rd on the rank. So number 1st, number 3rd, number 2nd is GBP New Zealand on the heat map so far. So we have two of the pair running up for Euro, which is mean all the top ranking on 5 minutes time frame right now. Euro is hot. They're going up to the north. If they're not yet, like Euro CAD is falling. It was hot, but it's pulling back. Okay, it was buyer market and pulling back just a little bit strong. We have to check in the higher time frame what they are intend to do, just to look at the energy of the euro, if they run synchronize or correlate with each other. Euro Swiss franc, same thing like euros or euro cat, is like they're on the sideways, but what is different is the euro is a seller market. Euro Swiss franc, it was seller market. Euro cat, it was buyer market, and both they drop. It's not correlate on this. Euro Aussie normally go with New Zealand, where is Euro New Zealand. Euro Aussie and Euro New Zealand supposed to go sister pair. Euro JPY drop and then sideways. Euro was weak. It belong to the seller in control. Unless we break this guy, the market won't change direction. Right now euro is strong, so Euro Japanese JPY need test 1, test 2, about here, go back down. Euro is strong. That's what's gonna happen. That I can think of. Euro USD is the popular one pair, trading a lot. Is belong to the seller market. This is the guy, the next guy that need to be bridged. Stay above, get rid of this guy. Step by step up is like a big mess. Until you get through this guy, then you have to come and get through this guy. What a mess. But anyway, we just look on this euro thing, and I make a bad push button. Anyway, I have to come back and fix to make in a good sequence again. That's a euro, GBP and euros on my lead. And what pair is the next? Swiss franc or USD already look. JPY, I haven't looked JPY. Why didn't I look over JPY pair? Let's go to the 15 minutes. It's hot pair, so I must have already. No, I haven't done anything set in. Oh, I did set in indicator. VPOC, I set in. VPOC is a good indicator because even a quick moment that I need to throw my eye scroll around, I'm looking for the VPOC and the direction. And now is JPY, US JPY is a downhill direction, and VPOC need to drag this guy to come back for it. Like test 1, test 2 need to be here to be a judge. That US JPY, Swiss franc JPY also it was seller market, seller in control, and they drop in the first drop leg here, and they're fighting on the sideways market. It will come back, so US JPY will pull back to Swiss franc JPY will pull back or reverse, who knows. CAD JPY is the same situation. It was seller market, but the buyer need to pull back to this VPOC, and the VPOC is very close to many 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one Euro JPY, the VPOC is very far away, and from he run away. He must homesick and want to come home and eat dinner. So this is there. He have to come back. Euro JPY. One of my trade I take GBP JPY is way up down here and scare me. Couldn't sleep. Okay, Aussie JPY. The VPOC is here. They're all coming back for the VPOC. For this is my pair trade GBP JPY. This is they need to come and break even from me here. I went in so early. I know it's gonna go up, but it's too early. The big player need a break to pull back to make GBP go higher, and now they pulled back, and that's what I'm waiting for. I hope not test this guy suckering and not be able to bridge this VPOC area and touch this my level where I can think about. On screen right now is 2 o'clock afternoon, 6 minutes after New York open. So this is the atmosphere on the chart. Time frame 3 minutes. My trade is New Zealand, GBP New Zealand, GBP Aussie, GBP JPY. I use Euro GBP for gauging if GBP gain over Euro. That which means Euro is drop, then GBP will have a chance to be lift up. So Euro must be weak. Japanese yen for my pair must be weak, so GBP can pull it back from being in red zone. So right now GBP JPY in red. Okay, here it is. Alright, then we will have to look on the chart, and this is New York open. Let's go to the news. Where is my news? Okay, it is here. Calendar, economic calendar, Thursday, March 13, 2025. Aussie, good, we already go through this morning through here. So Aussie positive new, Swiss franc clearly for positive new PPI. US monthly report something not showing, but it is, could be affect the market if ECB speaking. Industrial production, Euro is good, green. US continue jobless, clean, green. Okay, CPI bad. This is mixed now, good and bad. Initial jobless is green. Initial jobless claim is less, so it's good. That's why it's green. PPI 0.6 is mixed. This is not good. Mixture of US PPI core and jobless. Jobless is good. Maybe it is made USD strong. Jobless claim. CAT is 11% drop to minus 2.2% building permit so far. So mixture of US good and bad, but the rest, Swiss franc, Aussie, no Japanese yen here. Okay, Swiss franc, Aussie, US mix, Swiss franc, Aussie, good news, positive effect, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more news, impact news could affect the market. That's the new. I haven't loaded up my US dollar index yet. Okay, this is the once before talking to the AI, you have to come back and read this. This is far better than speak to lie out the question and read slowly to be able to understand the detail of how and why I'm checking like this for the strength of the GBP. That's the most top that I want to looking for. All this is laying here the clue. Talk with the AI. It's very good. It's helped me a lot. And the next video I will probably read it. It's helped me to practice to reading. And this is like I have to go. You have to come back and to go through this again, just a little bit, in case you stop video and come back to read. In the future I'll be reading out loud. You don't have to scroll and come back, but it's maybe both is good. Okay, that's should be enough. Okay, end there. Let's go to look at this again in my heat map. Top 4, top 5 GBP New Zealand. Now it's red, it means they pulled back. GBP New Zealand, this is my GBP New Zealand, is top of that heat map. That means GBP New Zealand was on the top, but now in the red zone. Yeah. Here, GBP New Zealand is in red, but here, monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, only 1 minute come to red, which is mean they are pulled back because they already go up so high. What was the GBP New Zealand? Where is GBP New Zealand? Somewhere. Okay, here. GBP New Zealand with the long grabbing liquidity wick and show me that I have a chance. They get this money, liquidity down here, packed with the rucksack or whatever, and come back to pick me up, or anybody who down here who know what's going to happen. According to the GBP is strong together with Euro. That's why I use GBP and Euro to gauging if GBP still want to go up north, and the volume and the MACD is on the top, and the stochastic on the top is ready to move, turn it, return back or pull back to lift up those guys who not yet get a piggyback. They won't leave without you unless you don't grab this chance, and that's where we are right now. It's a test of what if this is the V1 once move, big gigantic swing up, a little bit hiccup and turn around, pull back, go up again, looking for the seller to do the discount. The seller did the discount just down here, and this, what time is it? Marketing opening. This is the 3 minutes. It's 15 minutes past, so it's like somewhere around before the market opening. And this is the market opening area of the New York. But before that, they grab the liquidity, get packed up, get ready to make a step over here, like step up and down, pick up the order to get ready to go higher. They may be pulled back, and that's what they have to do. They have to pull back, they have to take profit, they have this and that. The reason that they're coming back here, that's GBP 3 minutes for diagnose or not diagnose, analysis. Let's go back. So this is GBP New Zealand. Euro New Zealand is the next, and once before Euro GBP alert. And at the other chart, I look at it now on daily chart. Euro GBP, Euro New Zealand. Oh, not Euro GBP. Euro GBP was alert me. Anyway, Euro New Zealand is second running up. Euro New Zealand. No, I didn't trade Euro. I I have limitation to trade euro. I only have four position now. Is more. I have GBP New Zealand, one position in here. GBP JPY, I have another position. What happened? Where is my positioning? Maybe it's way up, or maybe it's stop. Okay, way up here I get in, and then they drag me down here. And this is how deep pocket I have to withstand this. Last night I have to end up to add more of deposit money to support to not stop out by margin call. Okay, this morning it's tend to be a little bit hope. Okay, it's not the great. Look at this. I show you once again. If I close everything now, I minus 0, but since I know, I try Dante to make this all of this position to be my swing trade position, and I believe GBP will pushing up and Bitcoin will going down for the sideways market test. Anyway, this is GBP JPY, one of my bad test trade. I'm wait for it come back and we'll close position and get in again. That's my plan. Unless it's coming with the full throttle, look like when not gonna stop running and I will not close. We'll see. We'll trade accordingly when the price get there. That's GBP JPY. And since we are here daily, okay, I give you a little look of the daily. That's the crucial to know. Where are we in the universe? We are in a no man's land, middle almost of this range of this from here to here. So this is the VPOC. My trade is up here. The VPOC look like they're coming down here, and suddenly this guy poking out and scare the heck out of the buyer, and the buyers respond with the same equilibrium, power, strength. And that's I hope I don't want this second strike to here. That's terrible. Going back, and after the seller cannot make to the low. Instead, this is the step to next make it next swing up, zigzag up to get higher high. And this is the guy who started the first territory defense is here, whereas the blue line here is. And my trade is right here. I was thinking, okay, it on the top of the range, let's take a bet on, and it didn't go. Anyway, it didn't go. You want to go down more for another test, and that will make my buy jeopardize, hit to my stop loss, my stop loss, and my take profit is up to here. This is higher time frame swing trade. My time frame to trade, I want it to be weekly, but yes, that's where I get in weekly. If I can take this as my trading time frame, I'm getting at the bad position, right in the middle of the squeeze. That's really bad. At the VPOC, they can either go run away from VPOC, either way. So anyway, that's good to know that I'm in the middle of center no man's land. This is VPOC, and my position is very close to that. And this is the daily. I haven't looked down here yet for the divergence and everything. I think that is the divergence somewhere. Okay, this is the range of white, not white. I don't know what this color is. But anyway, this is the line that they have to get through here. It's poking out, dashing back in. What time frame is 4 hours? It trapped these people who are up here being trapped and coming back down. And if this is just a pullback or reverse, it depends on the next move. If the buyer can maintain above this area, if they go above this area, which is they're gonna give my freedom back from being hosted, they can even come above this guy to the next level. Is this my take profit is here. But anyway, we'll trade accordingly. When the price come there, I put it back to 3 minute. This is 5 minutes. Okay, this is also squeeze. This is the market opening. The Asian, they cannot breach. If they breach any level from the yesterday before, this is yesterday high, yesterday low, yesterday New York, Asian push, London push, New York pull back. How far they can come back. If they can come to the report, will be great. Those guys will get a lot discount price to go up, because it is buyer market. As long as this report doesn't clear, this guy doesn't be breach, they try to breach him, challenge him, put sideways market in, test here in the middle of this day, what inside day bar. Okay, they call inside day bar, not just one candle. I don't know what inside day bar mean, but for me this is inside of this range, top and bottom here, this blue, small blue line. This is called support line, the blue. The pinkish line is here, the almost white is the resistance. Still learning how to use this. What is X3? I don't know, I have no idea, but this is what the market gives so far. They pull back, the buyer is trying to get furthermore. Seller doesn't want yet, so they fight here in the no man's land, on the top of the range land. Okay, they step on this line, support, and this is resistance. So this being breached, it will be the next is here, breach this guy and then go through the next. Very messy, a lot of obstacle on the way to break through, not just like a long swing like this. What is this back? GBP JPY. My trace is in red. There. How far they can go back there, but possible up today, because when Euro gain strength over the Euro lose strength over GBP, this could be running. It needs Japanese weakness too. GBP Aussie. I had two positions running here. Apparently this was stopped out. I didn't have enough money. They cut my bad trade to keep my account running. I lose one of two trade already for GBP Aussie. This is the last test trade, and I hope I gain back what I lose for two trade before. So this will take time. Tomorrow is Friday, perhaps the next week if I don't close it before. Here, one last clip of the day, a Bitcoin. I have 2 positions running yesterday. This Bitcoin chart sequence from monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, or sometimes I put into 1 minute to check the sequence of what happened from the universe above. This is the monthly. Nothing here for so-called time spent. Is they need time spent here before they can do anything. Especially weekly, show a little bit time spent to test here, and not so much. They need time, so when they come out from the VPOC, the volume price of control called VPOC, they leave home, they're homesick, they must come home, and on the way home there is many MA waiting for, and all of this SNR waiting for to read where is the sideways market, where are they fighting. It's not yet have anything to do with us confirmation of what they are fighting. We will look at here, move it to here. We only get to this part only, and that's where the detail on the daily shows that seller after get homesick want to come to home. This is the VPOC line to the blue line support. Support and resistance meet this the resistance line. The VPOC in the middle is intense. It's good, so small fighting, but really in this small is something big will happen. So they break out the first time with no clue. You cannot get in here to read. You can go down to a lower time frame to read in this one if you want. So this is the daily, and if you want to read lower time frame, this one also showing 4 hours of this. They are gonna come home or not, which is here somewhere around. Is this one? Are they gonna come back here to home? VPOC line on the daily 4 hours. We take only this thing here. So this is where they are, I think, here, and then this one. Anyway, VPOC is here. VPOC is here. At 4 hours, VPOC 4 hours different than VPOC in daily, but VPOC means price, volume price of control. This is my crucial time frame is 4 hours, and if this 4 hours is sideways market, that means you have to respect this area. Just make it bigger to look. Okay, this is VPOC. This underline beneath of this was so-called a range of this blue and blue, red, pink and red, whatever here. This is support and resistance, and the VPOC shows the price love this area. They will come back. How far they go, they will come back unless they fight against the gravity and move away from this. That's very crucial. This is the 4 hours. Why I take this trade as a sell. Put 2 sell position here, one after another. This is bad. Bad move. I'm sitting as a hostage right now with Bitcoin. And I put in quite different time of the day. Trading is not have any power to push them through, so that's why I'm stuck. Let's see, getting bigger. So this is yesterday. Logo look for yesterday. Yesterday 1 hours. This is yesterday. Yesterday break no higher high for day before. They try, buyer coming, try. Even the soup up here trying to scare the seller, but the seller not scared because this guy is seen to be powerful, big, long, red candle. A lot of people stuck here, trapped, waiting for people to come back to release them. And this is what happened. The first leg come out from this area of issue, and since then, first leg, second leg, and then pull back. This pull back not yet arrest this guy. My position is right in the middle of nowhere. Is the position where the decision making of both parties, seller and the buyer, they are fight here. I'm looking for something like a souped up tempo. soup to scare the other party, and then after soup looking for preparing to get in. But so far after fighting for a while in here in the low time frame, looking for soup up and nothing happening, come back to this time frame, sideways market, buyer coming, seller fight in the middle of this here, the money spot, the issue, the sweet spot that they make decision here for this sub whatever fight in range in the micro. But this is the original on this 1 hour time frame. Yesterday is a sideways. Even the souped ups trying to scare this seller that we are going. I was scared. I become religious. Please, coming down. Don't go out, please. I pray too, and then end up have to add a deposit to funding the account for margin call. So this is the place where I am now. I have an issue with. I went in here first selling and then the trade didn't work, selling somewhere here, and I think I went in the afternoon, not in the morning. Must be some here, trying to sell from some here. New York market, trying to sell, because when I see this, I didn't check before, you need to read and analysis through until you're sure that you get in position. But since I'm following Bitcoin a long time, and I know that the market need to take a break from the higher time frame, from the big player, need to take a break to pull back and trying to lift the price up again. They're not gonna move the price up right away. Look, and I have to put this back in the sequence. So look at this weekly daily. Okay, 4 hours. This is 4 hours. I go back to 4 hours, so it's good sequence. Look at this here. There is no test for weekly and daily. We look again. We was there daily, just put in sideways market, and then it just came out from the sideways market and the buyer need a better discount price. This is where they